Hi children, welcome to Cuddle. The world is filled with colors. Colors are so wonderful, bright and beautiful. We can do so many things with colors. I just love colors and I'm sure so do you. Want to learn more about colors? What do we do to learn about colors? I have an idea. Why don't we do an experiment? Let's mix colors to make new colors. There are three primary colors. Red, blue, yellow are primary colors because we use them to make all the other colors. Let's see what all we need. Watercolor, brush, disposable glass, and water. Over here I have 3 glass containers. 1, 2, 3. First, we're going to fill these containers with water. I'm pouring 100 ml to each container. We'll fill the first container, the second container, then we will move to the last container. Done. We're going to add watercolors. First, red, few drops, and then close it up. Take yellow color and add it to the second container. Let's add blue to the third container. Take the brush and mix it up. Whoa! Red is bold and merry. Stir the color yellow. Yellow is warm and bright. Now the last one. Mix it up. Here we go. It's turning blue. Blue is deep and cool. Okay, are you ready to make these primary colors to make a new colors? What will happen if we mix red with blue? We get purple? Seriously? Red mixed with blue, we get purple. Yes, we did. Red mixed with blue gives us purple. What do you think will happen if we mix yellow with red? Let's find out. Yellow mixed with red makes orange. I'm all excited to see the color change. Are you guys also excited to see the color change? Whoa, yes, it's orange. Wow. So, yellow mixed with red gives us orange. Are you ready to make another color? What will happen if we mix blue with yellow? Let's find out. Green, blue mixed with yellow makes green. Yes, that's neat. So, blue mixed with yellow gives us green. Purple, orange and green are secondary colors because they are made from primary colors. Mixing colors is fun to do, right? Happen if we mix blue with purple? Do let us know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Green, correct. Green. Huh? Yellow. Green. Where?